Hello YouTube, I'm Musikev, and welcome to Zelda Month. I've been uploading a video a day on either this channel or my other channel. At this point, I've done 5 top 10s on my Musikev Plays channel, and this is the first of 2 in-depth discussion series of the musical top 10s, being the musical characters in Zelda games. My 9th favorite musical character in Zelda games was Tott from Wind Waker. As I mentioned in my top 10 list, I didn't pick Makar or Medli. Makar's jingling butt is irritating, and he spends way too much time getting grabbed by oversized hands. Medli didn't win because the number 1 use of her harp is a reflective surface for puzzle solving. Tott, however, is a dedicated dancer on Windfall Island, who's known as the world's charismatic dancer extraordinaire. So Tott doesn't have too much of a story for him, but here it is. He spends all of his free time dancing. All of his free time dancing. No food, just dancing. Can't hate on him for dedication to his craft. He knows the dance moves that help him turn the day into night and vice versa, but he needs Link's help to remember the rhythm. Once he gets that down, he teaches Link the Song of Passing. That does just that. Here comes the aside for this episode. How do the mechanics of this work exactly? Does the Earth turn faster? If that's the case, I'm pretty sure everyone dies. Okay, fine. Maybe it just sends you and possibly those involved with the song forward in time 12 hours. I guess that makes sense. But where do you go? Does the King of Red Lions just wonder where you've been for 12 hours and just sit and wait? But wait, there's tides involved. He wouldn't stay in one place. But Tott's description of it says that it went day to night before his eyes. I don't know. Maybe just the person and to those around him? Anyway, I digress. Back to Tott. Tott's German name is T. Revolta. Travolta? I mean, he does kind of look like him. Or Elvis. Or most people in the disco era. He does all of his dancing in front of a memorial gravestone. And if you look at his figurine, it mentions that he dreams of becoming a professional dancer and is recruiting for a partner. So in my headcanon, he lost his dancing partner and dances for him or her near their grave as remembrance. Speaking of my headcanon, who is the delightful little guy that he learned the dance from in the first place? It's not Tingle. Unless maybe it is. No. My headcanon, I'm going to go with no. How about this? If one of you has a good theory on who this delightful little guy may be, post it in the comments below. Have fun theorizing. Be sure to like this video as well, since I like validation. And make sure you subscribe so I can see you all tomorrow as I continue the in-depth look at the top 10 musical characters in Zelda games. If you missed the list that I'm basing this on, or any other, the link to that playlist is right here. While you're over there, subscribe to there as well. There'll be more top 10s coming this month. See you tomorrow.